Did you know that Soviet stroganoff is not the same as the one served in restaurants? Today I will show you the authentic version, as it was made in the USSR with simple ingredients and lots of flavor. Stay until the end, because we will also make homemade smetana, the secret touch of Russian cuisine. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description.